Welcome to the Distracted Driving Dangers activity. Everyone knows that distracted driving is very dangerous, and there's all sorts of different types of distractions that can occur while you're driving. But did you know that researchers have categorized all those different distractions into 4 main types? Well, you're going to explore some of those types today and to see how they affect your time to complete a complicated task, somewhat like driving. So let's look at the materials. You'll have your student activity sheet. Then you'll also have a touch track. This is going to be your challenge, is to complete the touch track as quickly as you can. Now, on the touch track are the numbers, in this case, 1 through 10, randomly distributed on the sheet. So you've got to go through, find it, and touch it, each number in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. As that's happening, the person is being timed. Now let's look at some of the roles that each of the group members are going to have. Should be in groups of 3 or 4. The first role is the driver. That's the person doing the touch track, okay? Second role is going to be the timer, timing them. Third role is going to be the checker. They're checking to make sure that the driver is touching the numbers in the correct order, okay? Fourth role is going to be the distractor. Now, very important role. Teacher is going to go over all of the different distractions, but it'll be the distractor that will be trying to distract the driver as they're doing the touch track as quickly as they can. It's really tough. Okay? Good luck. Have fun.